Welcome to The Curved Angle, a channel dedicated with providing you with free workshops to help you scale your business to multi-six-figure profits. And I want to emphasize profits, okay? Because revenue, that's a vanity number. Profits is what makes sure your business has real staying power, that is sustainable, that you can scale, that you can increase your take-home pay and your personal net worth. So I am really big on giving you practical, actionable tips, strategies, and insights to help you scale. And you may be thinking, like, what's the catch? Are the workshops really free? If so, why are you offering them for free? And it's really simple. I personally, and I'm sure many of you are too, I am over the free webinar masterclass funnel. You know what I'm talking about. The one that promises amazing things and you sign up for, and they're really not giving you any information, okay? They're full of excitement and great energy, but the information is not really something that's helping you. What's really is happening is it's packed with client testimonials, the outcomes they provide, their life story, all to pitch you at the end for their course or service or coaching, okay? And a lot of the information they're providing is just not right. It's not accurate. It's not good. It's not right. So therefore, I wanted to provide a resource, a truly free resource to help you scale your business because I'm really passionate about this, okay? I have been in business for 15 years. I am a CPA. I'm MBA. I am tried, true, battle tested. I have probably made every mistake you can think of, and some of them twice, and it has cost me a lot of time, money, and resources. And I use that to help fast forward the track for my clients and for you now on this YouTube channel, okay? I want you to avoid the mistakes I made. I want you to get the knowledge that I have actually put in time to learn, to acquire in both academic settings and real life application. So that is what this channel is all about. And listen, I am very straightforward. I am no fluff. I am transparent. So I do believe in marketing. I do believe in funnels. Look, I'm here to have a business. I want to make money too. I'm about increasing my take-home pay and my personal net worth as well. So I'm not saying there's anything wrong with the funnels or the email marketing. And you may see that from me. However, these workshops on YouTube are going to be free and they're going to be actionable. They're actual workshops that you can take the strategies and implement into your business. Now, if you are interested in learning more about working one-on-one with me, of course, reach out to me. I would love to talk with you and see if I can help you. But that is not the focus of these workshops. The workshops are to give you the information, to give you the knowledge, to make sure that you walk away with something that is actionable, tangible, and that will get you results in your business if you actually implement it, okay? So if you are ready to scale your business and create the dream you want, because business is just a tool to get you your dream life. And if your business is not doing that, it's time for a change, okay? And you want to start now with that change. Go ahead, subscribe to the channel, and get into the workshops. All right, bye.